Have you been looking for a luxury estate home just minutes to the city of Barrie?
One with a sprawling floor plan that's grand in every aspect.
A home with the level of finish that you expect to see in a custom-built home top to bottom.
And a ton of added bonuses you just won't find anywhere else. All that and more on today's episode. All right, Scotty, Snow Valley is certainly living up to its name this year. Now, we love this community, we live in this community, and we are fortunate enough to sell homes in this community. Why don't you tell our audience where we are today and why it's so special?
We are back out in the highly sought after Cameron Estates. There's just nothing like it. Now, Adam said there's no question Simcoe County is bringing it in the snow department this year. But if you're thinking of moving to Simcoe County, you know that snow is going to be part of it one way or another. So why wouldn't you choose an incredible community that allows you to lean into the lifestyle of these incredible winters? I'm talking about taking the snowmobile right from your garage, right out onto the incredible trail system that is right out of our back door here. Or maybe you're just heading around the corner as we sit on the top of the Snow Valley Ski Resort. Whether it's snowboarding, skiing, snow tubing, they've got everything, and it is just a moment's drive from here. And of course, you've got some incredible trails and sliding hills that are right here within the community as well. There's just nothing like it.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty. It's truly a winter mecca here. And again, embrace the season, right? This is a large part of our year, so why not have all these amenities right at your fingertips? But we also have some fantastic summers in this neck of the woods as well. And again, we have fantastic proximity to everything here. We back onto a private golf course in Bespra Hills. We are surrounded in this community by hiking, biking, and walking trails. And again, we are nestled inside a community with no through traffic here. We have our own parking here for the kiddos. Kids ride their bikes around these streets without a worry whatsoever. It's truly a throwback to days that we just don't see anymore.
That's right, Adam. The kids are going to absolutely love living and playing in this community. But let me tell you, you as the adults, you're going to absolutely love the size of these beautiful mature lots. They're all sitting on at least a half acre out here, tons of mature trees. But then from there, it's the curb appeal. They are absolutely stunning and beautifully built out here. The one in behind us, no exception whatsoever. It is completely covered in brick and stone on the exterior, giving it just an incredible estately feel. And of course, you got the beautiful 3-car garage, or is there maybe something hiding behind those as well? Let's head inside and check it out. Turns out it's not just a little bit more behind those garage doors. We got a lot more, and you're going to absolutely love it. You expect to see a 3-car garage in these estate homes, but what you don't expect is an additional 2-car tandem bay behind that 3rd-car garage. We are totaling up to 5-car parking here, over 1,500 square feet. This is an area you're going to spend some serious time.
Yeah, that's right, Scotty, and you're going to be comfortable doing it. This is truly an extension of the living space. You can hardly call this a garage. We have epoxy floor here. We have in-ground radiant heat, so it's super comfortable out here. It's all drywalled. We have a built-in sound system as well. Custom storage. It truly does not get much better than this. You'd have to pry us out of this garage.
All right, now let's go check out the rest of the house. If you thought the garage on this home was impressive, just wait until you walk through the front door of this designer showpiece of a home. It is grand in every sense of the word. First off, we're flowing nearly 2,900 square feet on the main floor alone before we get to that beautiful finished lower level that you do not want to miss. When I tell you we have features for the entire family, I truly mean it. But let's start with this incredible great room right here. It's got a ton of features that are packed here that you're going to absolutely love. Of course, you have the beautiful view through your covered porch and out into the magnificent backyard. But for me, it is absolutely this beautiful fireplace that draws your eye. You've got the vaulted ceiling, you've got the floor to ceiling tile, not to mention a 62-inch linear gas fireplace that anchors the entire thing, the beautiful built-ins on side to side. Now, this is what jumps out at you right away. But for me in custom built homes, it's all about the finer details. And in this case, the home is filled with them. We've got 8-foot solid core doors. You've got the oversized baseboards, not to mention the beautiful bleached oak hardwood that run from end to end of this home. And that's just a few of my favorites. Wait till you see the rest.
Now, if you can't picture yourself entertaining in a living room like that, you just aren't trying. But for me, the heart of every home is the kitchen, and I promise you that this one certainly will not disappoint. Now, we talk all the time about how the chef and the family is going to love a kitchen. Well, this one, they are truly going to die for. Look at the size of this space. It's absolutely incredible. You have tons of prep space all around, as well as this oversized island, and it's beautifully appointed. We have JennAir appliance package with the integrated fridge. We have a beverage center in the back of the island, a 6-burner gas range with griddle top, as well as double wall ovens and a built-in microwave. Not to mention there is a pantry here with a sink as well. It truly doesn't get much better than this. And the beauty of it all is that it's open into your incredible dining space with views out over your backyard, which we're going to show you later.
Now, of course, when a home flows nearly 2,900 square feet on one level, you're gonna have a few wings within the house. And you find me right now in the primary wing of the home. Such a spectacular space. Now, we'll get to the bedroom and the ensuite. But first, let's talk about just down the hall, you've got an incredible home office space on the entire other end of the house from those kiddos, so you can keep nice peace and quiet while you work from home. You've also got one epic mudroom on your hands as well. We're talking heated tile flooring, a ton of custom built-ins and storage, plus an updated and upgraded washer-dryer pair that they did not spare any expense on. And then of course, it's all about the ensuite. Just off of that huge primary suite with those beautiful black interior windows, you've got the most spa-like ensuite I have ever seen. You've got the built-in speakers in here and of course throughout the entire home. The beautiful oversized tiles on the floor. You got the marble vanity top, his and hers sink, the gorgeous freestanding tub that you're gonna spend all of those relaxing evenings in. And then of course, the full glass walk-in shower with its own bench and a water closet. Oh, and we didn't miss the walk-in closet either.
Now, we spend a lot of time talking about how important the primary wing is in these split floor plans, but we also know that your kiddos play a huge factor in the decision-making process of you buying your next home. And I can promise you that in the kids' wing of the house, it certainly doesn't disappoint. I'm currently standing in one of the 2 bedrooms on this side of the home. And as you can see in behind me here, these are actually larger than primary bedrooms in most homes. Now, the beauty of this as well is that both of these rooms are the same size. They also come with their own en-suites and their own walk-in closets. Now, the walk-in closets had custom built-ins, and the en-suites have beautiful tile finishes with curbless showers. It truly doesn't get much better than this, and I can promise you, you will not have any kids arguing about which room is going to be theirs.
Welcome down to the lower level, and this one is feature packed, let me tell you, so let's get to it. It starts right here in this incredible home gym with the padded floor and those designer glass doors.
And of course, we've got the beautiful rec room complete with this tile feature wall with linear gas fireplace and custom built-ins, which overflows into your game room and back into, yeah, you guessed it, the all-important home bar.
And after a few hours logged at that beautiful home bar, your guests are gonna need a space to lay their head. Well, we've got that covered as well, along with a ton of detail.
And if a good sleep doesn't do it, you might need to get a good sweat on, and I can't think of a better place to do it than this custom steam shower. As you can see, it's absolutely gigantic. We have heated floors in here, as well as custom lighting and surround sound, not to mention this stadium-style seating.
I don't know about you, but I am just about sick and tired of listening to my 9 and 11-year-old boys yelling and screaming at the screen while they're playing video games. So how about we give them their very own fully insulated and soundproof gaming room, or perhaps a secondary home office if you prefer. Bet you didn't have that on your bingo card.
Now, I definitely know what you didn't know you needed, and that is this custom bunk room. It's absolutely incredible. Take a step in here with me. We have 4 custom built queen size bunk beds, which would be the absolute fantastic spot for the kids and their overnight sleepovers. Not to mention, if you have overflow guests, they're gonna all be sleeping comfortably and soundly in here as well. We have beautiful shiplap feature walls. Again, everything is custom built. It truly doesn't get much better. These are one of these unique pieces you are not gonna find anywhere else.
Now, rounding out this lower level, yes, if you can believe it, there's still more. We've got a stunning 2-piece bathroom, which rounds out 1.5 bathrooms down on the lower level. You rarely find that. You've also got not 1, but 2 additional storage spaces that are just waiting for your finishing touches, whether it's additional laundry, maybe that fridge and freezer overflow, or of course, we've got an incredible mudroom down on the lower level here as well with its own heated floors, just waiting for you to add your built-ins. It's got direct access up to that incredible garage. You do not find homes like this every day.
So Scotty, there's so much to love about the interior of this home. It's absolutely grand and impressive in every facet. But for me, some of the beauty about living in this community is these incredible lot sizes. So let's talk a little bit about what we have outside here as well. Now, something that makes this property truly unique, as you'll see in behind us here, we don't have the 40 feet of protected tree area that you typically have on some of these half-acre lots. But what we do have is absolute privacy from more than 130 mature cedars that have been planted on this property. So again, if privacy is a concern for you, it won't be here, I promise. Now, what it does is it opens up opportunity for absolutely everything. This is a blank canvas in behind us right now, but because of that extra space, you could truly design the backyard of your dreams. I'm not just talking about a pool. I'm not just talking about a pool house or an outdoor bar. You could do sports courts or a million other things here. Truly, the world is your oyster with a lot of this size.
Sky's the absolute limit. I have never seen a backyard like this. The potential is truly limitless, as Adam says. Now, let's just recap once more on this location, because with all of this that you're getting, I know you're thinking you're probably way outside of town, maybe on well or septic. Well, guess again. We are less than 10 minutes into the city of Barrie. All your possible daily amenities, great highway access, whether it's north to the cottage, south to the city, we've got it just moments up the road. And as you guessed, we are not on well and not on septic either. So this is the ease of lifestyle you've been looking for, and it's all rounded out with not one, but two incredible school districts that pull from here, both Minisink Central as well as the Good Shepherd. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Snow Valley. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.